Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share this month's Fold It Club set with you because it's exclusive to the Fold It Club. You cannot get it anywhere else. It's not going to be available on our website. It is only available as club members. It's only available for club members. Are you ready? Get set. It is called You're the Best. Now, this one is so much fun because look, you're the best. It has all three words with it. So much fun. And you're, of course, getting your handy dandy little information card, right? But you are also getting this awesome Newport flower background stencil, which I absolutely love. And you're getting a stencil to decorate the words. Isn't that awesome? Look how fun that is. You're the best with stars and stitches. So you get to decide how you decorate. Now, let me show you some of the samples. Oh, I almost forgot. Most of you, I would say about 80% of you also in the Fold It Club also get the stamps that match. And the stamps that match really honestly tie everything together. Because for example, you make every day brighter. Hope your day is as amazing as you are. Just a note to say, you're appreciated, or you're the best friend ever, or thanks, or I'm so thankful for you, you're so kind. Your kindness makes the world a better place, and a small version of the Fold It Club right there. You're the best. Now, this is only an extra $8. It is 4x4 in stamp size, and it's photopolymer stamps. So just saying, if you're not adding on these stamps, you might want to consider that. It ships with your dies, which is really nice. You get it all in one package. Now, let's look at some of the awesome samples that we have because they are so much fun. So here's one example, You're the Best. And I love that with the added stars on there. You are getting 2 shadow dies, which makes it even more fun because you can do more with it. Here's another one, You're the Best. Here's one with the words on a regular A2 card background, which is really nice because sometimes you don't want a shaped card, you just want it on a regular card. Ooh, here's a fun one with glitter. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Orange and pink. But you're the best ever. I love that. Ooh, here is that Newport flower background. Isn't it gorgeous? Look how pretty it is on those letters. You're the best friend. I love that. Here's another one. You're the best. So who do you have in your life that you're going to be sending this to right away? I'm sure you thought of at least one person immediately when you saw this and said, oh, that's perfect for them. Look at that. Now imagine your house sitter, your dog walker, all of those people. This is the perfect thank you card, right? Perfect thank you card because when someone is extra kind to us, it's always nice to appreciate them. Now you can also do it on a 5x7 card base as well, using just the words or all of it together on a 5x7. You can also turn it into banners, like a birthday banner or any kind of banner like that. So many different things that you can do with it. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you can get this one for a limited time. I do buy extra each month because we always get new signups. So we do have a small amount of extras off to the side. So if you join now, hurry, 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 you can get in on this one. But if you wait too long, it could be sold out and you'd have to wait till next month. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. That's going to explain all about all of our clubs because technically we have 4 and the discounts you get and all the goodies and all the freebies and all that good stuff. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and click Join the Club. And this is our Fold It, aka Shaped Card Club. I love it. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.